Hello, my name is Niyamuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to create a poster for a comedy experience. The size we're going to be using is 1048 for the width. The height is 1280. Alright, so to begin, we're going to get a background. The background is going to be two color, so it's going to be a gradient. Now this is it. The first color is going to be white, so let's go. First color, let's pick this guy, let it be white. Okay, let the first color be white like this, right? Okay, the second color, let it be orange kind of. So let's move it towards this side, and then let's drag this like this. All right, so we're going to have something like this. All right, let's move this white here. All right, let's move this up a little. Bring this here. All right, so we're gonna have something like this as the background. Right, so the first thing we want to write here is Okeme Media. By the way, the original design was created by Gratitude Graphic Designer on Instagram. So I've written this. Right, so we just use a very simple font for it. All right, so we can even use this font because it's very okay. All right, just centralize it. Okay, that is put it at the medium. All right, so it's too close apart, so we can just come over here and come to line spacing and just space it a little. All right, then remember to also centralize it, put it at the medium. The next thing we want to do is Mr. Ukeme. That is going to be the bold heading. All right, so let's come over here. Okay, so let's get the M. All right, so looking at what we've got is going to be a gradient color. The first color is going to be absolutely orange, burnt orange, while the second color could be something yellowish. All right, we'll try to put these two together like this. All right, then let's get a font that is suitable for the main text. All right, let's try something I think I have to. Some people are very funny. All right, so I have this guy here like this. All right, so I'm going to copy it. I'll put an arrow there. I'll do it like this. I'll reduce it and put it there. Just to reduce it. Okay, so we have a U here. I'll put it there. I'll slant it like this. Right, to copy again, we have KE. Right, would put it like this, reduce it, put it there. Okay. All Alright, then we'll copy this ME. We'll put it there like this. Too much. Alright, so something like that anyways. So I'm gonna push this guy 1 2 3. I'll put it here. Alright, then I'm going to centralize everything. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5. Alright, so we're going to bring the image, which is going to serve as one of the major components elements here. So this is the image, and we're just going to drag it like this. I couldn't really get the images individually, so that's why I got this one. So if the image is going to be like this here, okay. Alright, I want to still push it to the front like this. Alright, create space. Alright, so let's see if I can bring these to the front. Alright, bring this down here. So let's see if we can add just a little white outline to it. Alright, so we can do that with this also. Just a little white outline to it. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is let's bring this word experience. Alright, experience 2.0. So take out the E and then put 2.0 here. Alright, so it was a both font they used there, so we can just get something nice here. Alright, so for the bottom part of this design, we would have this. So let me do this. Let's quickly do this. Let's push these here. Alright, so from here you can just get a shape from here, right? Then make it white by sending it to the back like this. Alright, okay, so the next information are going to be right there. So the first thing we want to do is to get a box. Let's quickly get one. Alright, so I'm just going to use this one right here. So just change it to white, okay? Alright, so let's save time. Let's bring this guy here. So let's bring a shape. Alright, I wanted to get another shape, but I wanted to still also save time. So the color is going to be blue. So get a decent blue color. This one here, right? You have your fan inside this text here. So let's go. Okay. Alright, so we just use Montserrat black. Alright, the color is going to be white. Alright, very simple. So the next thing we want to do is this 3k, 5k, 50k, 100k. So first, yeah, just write 3k. Now if you notice, it's in a vertical. So let's go to font. Alright, all these fonts you can download them from the internet. So let's use this. Alright, so we have 3k. Alright, yeah, so we'll copy that, and we have 5k, we have 50k, and we have 100k. So this is going to be 50k. Okay, and then we have also 100k. Okay, all right, all right, all right. So this 3k is going to be red. All right, then the other ones are black. All right, so you can see how it is. I'm going to reduce everything. 1 2 3 4. Click reduce. Okay, okay. So we have registration 3k for the registration. So we'll put it there. It's very small. Arrow EG is registration. Color is going to be red. Okay, so you zoom out like this, so you are seeing exactly what you're doing. So it's going to be there. Then for these other guys, we have double for 5k. So just type the word double there. Okay, then the other one is gold table for the 50k. So type gold table. All right, the last one is premium table. So come over here, 100k for premium table. All right, so make it all caps, adjust it like this. So when you are done with that, this is 11 minutes gone. So when you are done with that, the next is going to be this other information. So I have prepared them already somewhere, so I'm going to just go over here and I'll pick them. So I have this one. This is going to be for the artist. All right, so I'm gonna copy this guy here. All right, I'm gonna copy this guy here. I'm gonna paste everything like this. All right, so I'll be able to reduce it like this, and then I'll adjust it right here. So it's gonna be somewhere here. Okay, cool. Okay, so this guy is going to come also around the. All right, this is going to be red where you have the Trinity blah 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 ticket. All right, so that's going to be the address. It's going to be below this guy here. That's going to be the address. All right, so the font I was used is this guy. All right, okay. Let's still move it here again. Okay. All right, so we have this guy also, ticket outlets. So a ticket outlet is going to be just at the top of this one here. So we just come over here and then we'll paste everything and we'll stretch it out like this. We can just reduce it maybe 2 points or 3, and then change the color to red. Okay, so I'm going to push it up so that I save some space at the bottom. All right, so for this I'm going to copy this. Right, so right here I'm going to write featuring. So the short form is just F like this. Right, so you see that now, so it's going to be there like that. For sponsorship blah 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 blah. Okay, this information is going to be below the address. All right, so I would like to use this font here to get it, so I'm just going to put it right there. So we can just paste it there like this and we'll stretch it out. Let's also increase this and put it right there. Right, so we have the logos of various sponsors that are sponsoring this event. So we're just going to copy this one here. Right, so just like I said for the picture, I couldn't get everything by myself, so I had to use this one. So let's just increase it. Alright, so let's adjust it here. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is to get this order information here. 1st of January. So let's get a shape like this. Right, let the color be red. Alright, so let's fix it right here. Alright, I can fix it right there. Alright, okay. Okay, so basically what's going to be there is 1st January 2024. Alright, so use a long font. So let's come over here. So the first is going to be there. Okay, so let's use this. The next word is going to be January, so we can just use a long font like let's say B-bounce. So let's come over here and get B-bounce. B-bounce. All right, so that we can see exactly what we're doing, we just zoom in like this. So this is it. So we'll come over here and we'll do this. So copy and we'll put it there again. So 2024 is going to be all right. Okay, all right, so the next information that we'll have there is 5 p.m 6 p.m 5 p.m 6 p.m. So I'm going to use this instead. All right, so this is going to be red. So let's write here 5 p.m. right here. Let me use B-bounce according to what is used there. So let's go with this 5 p.m. right. It's quite bold, so make it bold like this. All right, then we'll copy this. I'll put this other guy here. All right, 6 p.m. it's going to be black. All right, so try to push them or put them together a little bit closer to each other, and then we try to bring these guys here. So we have red carpet and main event. So the red is the red carpet. Okay, red carpet. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So this is red carpet. We'll put it right there. We'll change the color to red. Of course, it's red carpet. Then this one is going to be the main event. I'll put it there. It's going to be black. So go main event. All right, to change the color to black. All right, we're done with that. Then we have one surprise act. It is I believe probably is one of the sponsors. So we'll just adjust this square here. It looks more like a rectangle to me though, so we'll just adjust it like this. All right, so let's reduce the opacity like this. Let's go to stroke. All right, and then let's just edit it like this. So it has one surprise act. So let's come over here, let's pick this, let's put it there. One surprise act. So our time is fast spent, so we're going to put it like this there. All right, so this is what we have so far. So there's something that's missing here, the featuring. This is it. We're just going to copy this and we use I think we can use this guy. All right, let's save time. So we're going to put this one here and we'll paste everything here. All right, so the way it is like this. All right, so for contrast I'm going to highlight the featuring and make it red like this. Okay, so we have stuff like this. I think the only thing that's left now is just the location icon, so we can use it. All right, so we got the location icon. You can download your own location icon, all right, from the internet. just go to pngwing.com and then you can download your location icon and every other graphic design resources that you need. So with this, we're done with the design. When you're done, just go over here and click on save project. All right, so I can save it as Mr. Udeme and then I'm done. All right, so to add a little more life to the design, I'm just going to take it over to to any other application that probably would add a little beauty to it. So I prefer Snapseed sometimes, not all the time though. So this is Snapseed. I'm just going to click on one button to give me what I want. I'll click on pop and then you see that it's going to pop up. All right, so it may not be the best, but then you would like it if your image is very okay. Once you're done, you click on this and then you click on export and then you click on save and then you're good to go. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, tell me the part that you enjoy and subscribe. I will see you in another tutorial.